Hello, this is my presentation project on the coefficient of determinations. The first thing we should look at when discussing the coefficient of determination is the formula itself. In statistics, the coefficient of determination, also named R squared, is which is determined the ability of a model to explain and predict future outcomes. If we have a dependent variable y, an independent variable x in the model, then R squared is determined the variation in y by variation x. It is one of the key components of regression analysis and is used when we want to predict future and testing some models with related information, which is especially very important to engineers. The value of R squared lies between 0 and 1, and higher than the value of R squared, better will be the prediction and strength of the model. In the formula, x is the data points for dataset x, y is the data points for dataset y, xm is the datasets of x, or the mean datasets of x, and ym is the mean of dataset y. On this slide, you can see an example of a graph of the coefficient determination. Only works with the goodness of fit that measures the distance between a straight line of data points that are scattered on the diagram. The set of data will have a regression line that's almost like the points and have a high level of fit, meaning that the distance between the line of data points set is not that large. Although a good fit has an R squared close to 1.0, this number cannot show whether the predictions are biased. It also does not say whether the analyst is whether the coefficient determination value is good or bad. It is at the result of the user to determine the meaning of this relationship and how it is applied to future trend analysis. In this slide, it shows an example of how it can be related to engineering. So the coefficient determination is often used in manufacturing to determine cause and effect relationships and predict costs. For example, by conducting a regression analysis, a manufacturer may find that 70% of the change in the total cost of electricity within their facility, the dependent variable in this case, was associated with the change in the monthly production machine hours. And the independent variable, in this case, the coefficient determination is 0.70 or 70%. And these are the citations and sources that was mostly used throughout the project. Thank you for watching.